the star for the last week or two or three. Really just bugging the trends. Look at this very nice daily candle yesterday. I said yesterday morning, it's losing a little bit of steam, but hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another trading day, and today I'm going to again look at cryptocurrencies on the daily chart, still holding that support levels. Not what I was looking for yesterday, but at least they're holding. The bears have not taken control further. So let's have a look. Bitcoin, you can see here, I showed you yesterday the white, the black, and I was worried that this would continue down the page. However, we see still the black, long black, and two small bodies. So we can just as well combine those two bodies into one and say it's still the bears losing control, it's still the support holding. If you look at Ethereum, the same scenario on this rising trend line. It came back down, looked like they want to drop down to these levels, but holding. The bulls are stepping in, but just in a supportive manner, not in a bullish manner. This two small candles at least starts to negate the bearishness of the moves, but that doesn't mean it's going to go up. If you look at Solana also long black, small. You can see I focus a lot on body size to show me the direction of the market. So you can see here that the market was quite bullish here on the short term, getting longer, but then that negated everything. But now it's losing momentum. So this could just be a retest for the bounce. XRP, similar scenario. Long lower shadow, two small bodies here, holding well the support. It keeps going down. We're going to see the $2 levels again. But for now, it's holding. And let's hope during the weekend it can hold also. XLM, same scenario. Long black, but now losing speed. The worrisome part here is that this body did close below, but it's still a small body. There's still no momentum behind it. Definitely a loss of momentum. Bitcoin Cash, the star for the last week or two or three. Really just bugging the trends. Look at this very nice daily candle yesterday. I said yesterday morning, it's losing a little bit of steam, but I thought it's just going to come back to retest. He didn't even do that. He just kept going. So I'm lucky that over the years I've bought every month. I've dollar averaged for since inception. I've dollar averaged on Bitcoin Cash. I've got a decent holding there, and well, that's looking good. That's looking good at least. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Inkasu. Do you struggle with customer queries that takes up all your time? Contact Inkasu to help transform your website customer focus with an integrated AI staff member. For more info, check out the link in the description. Chainlink, same scenario, small bodies holding the support level. Dogecoin holding the support level. You can see how it holds on the small bodies. No momentum, but it's on a knife point. It's on a knife point. Uniswap on the daily charts, again rejecting those highs. It was a nice candle there, but it's now two rejections last night rejecting, but we'll see how it closes. But not much we can do there. Cardano definitely closing below the levels, and this one doesn't look good. Small bodies, yes, there's no momentum pickup. We still have this support level coming in here also, which it might be testing. You can see it's that there and there. So it's still there. It's still at support levels, still losing momentum. However, just when it closes below those levels, I get worried that it might come back to the 50 cents levels or 51 cents levels. So let's see. I'm not that very bullish. I need a strong reversal this weekend, or today even, but this weekend we need some strong reversals before we can do anything. So yeah guys, that's sweet and short, but trading isn't just about my insights. Please follow the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, and don't forget to trade responsibly and never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.